In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to annotate while presenting in Teams with PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know exactly how to draw attention to key points during a meeting, highlight important details, and keep your audience engaged without breaking your flow. First, start your Teams meeting. Join an existing call or start a new one where you'll be the presenter. Make sure you have presenter permissions so you can share your screen and control the presentation. Next, share your PowerPoint. Click the Share Content button, usually found near the top of the Teams window. Then choose the PowerPoint option. This is important because selecting PowerPoint ensures the annotation tools are available directly on your slides. From the list, pick the presentation you want to share, give it a moment to load, and you'll see your deck ready to go. If you prefer a full-screen experience, you can switch to slideshow mode. This optional step is great when you want your annotations to stand out without other windows or distractions on the screen. It also helps your audience focus on the slide content and your markings. Now, let's use the annotation tools. Move your cursor to reveal the Slide Share toolbar. Look for the pen, highlighter, and laser pointer tools. Click the one you want, then annotate directly on the slide. Use the pen to underline or sketch quick shapes, the highlighter to emphasize text or areas without covering them up, and the laser pointer to guide eyes as you speak without leaving permanent marks. Keep your strokes deliberate and minimal. Less is more when you want your audience to follow your narrative. If you need to remove anything, you have two options. Use the eraser tool to remove specific marks you've drawn, which is useful for quick corrections. Or choose Clear All Ink to wipe all annotations from the slide in one go. Clear All is a fast reset if you want a clean slate before moving on. When you're done annotating, stop drawing by clicking the same annotation tool again to toggle it off, or switch back to the pointer. This returns your cursor to normal and prevents accidental marks as you navigate or change slides. That's it. Start your meeting, share your PowerPoint, optionally go full screen, annotate with the tools, erase or clear when needed, and then switch back to the pointer. With these steps, you'll present clearer, faster, and more confidently in Teams.